Hi, I am Hassan, Masters in Accounting and Hi, I am Hassan, Masters in Accounting and Cost and Management Accountant, QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor Certified and also well-known Zero software, learning other related software for supporting accounting management in software. As I am a professional accountant and bookkeeper, my supported areas set up company books, set up chart of accounts, maintenance device transaction record, inventory manage, bank account and credit card reconciliation, manage of vendors and customers, payroll manage, tax setup and manage, financial statement preparation. I also well known in Excel. So why you hire me? Quality work delivery on time is my passion. I always try to my client's satisfaction. Thank you so much and waiting for your response.